Hello guys, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll combine our drawer layout and bottom layout in the same fragment. Okay, in the last video, we have seen on the button click of sign in, we have designed the drawer layout. Here you can check, and on the click of registered here text view, we have the design the bottom navigation. Okay, in this video we'll merge both and comes the picture in the both bottom navigation and drawer on the same fragment. Okay, so let's get started. Firstly, for the drawer layout, okay, this is the drawer layout. Okay, we have this content drawer layout. Okay, on this fragment are this is the host fragment. Okay, this is the host fragment. Okay, and this is the navigation graph for the this is navigation graph for drawer layout. Okay, fine. Firstly, if you want, if we merge this, firstly we need to go on the drawer layout. Okay, firstly we have to do the changes, right? This is the another navigation graph is created as we have created in the last video. Okay, and this graph is created for the drawer layout. This is for the bottom navigation. Okay, firstly we need to merge this graph. Okay, um, it means our our bottom navigation is reflect on the drawer layout. Okay, firstly go to our drawer layout. Okay, here we are making this do the changes. We have now moved to successfully moved to the drawer layout. Okay, this is the drawer layout, drawer navigation menu. Okay, just we have done the changes, just close this. Okay, fine. Now we if we come to the content drawer menu. Okay, okay, first step we have done. Secondly, go, this is the fragment, I mean this is the navigation graph, and this is the fragment, host fragment we gonna display. Okay, firstly we have done the changes. Second part, we have to go to the drawer layout, drawer menu, drawer layout xml. Sorry, we have to go to the bottom menu. Just wait. This is the bottom. Okay, it's not opening. Okay, fine. Firstly, we have to do this change, this bottom navigation. Okay, first need to add this content drawer. Okay, just paste this. See, our menu is displaying. This is the bottom navigation view. We have add on the content drawer. Okay, fine. This is the second step. Okay, fine. Now let's we have to merge the our navigation. Firstly, go to this navigation and need to add those fragment into this because we have merged. In this navigation, we have a just drawer layout fragments. Okay, just go in a design tab. Just need to add in a bottom navigation. We have the fragments dashboard. Okay, we have added dashboard. In the second, we have bottom notification. Okay, we have added the dashboard and the notification. Okay, these IDs are unique. Need to mention in the drawer layout. Just now go to the drawer layout. We need to mention those ID over here. Firstly, we need to go to the menu of drawer layout. Menu of bottom navigation. Okay, this is the menu bottom navigation. Okay, we have to mention the unique ID. Okay, once let's see. Once we have clicked on this home icon, and once we clicked on this home icon should be the same. So this ID in this menu, in the bottom menu, and the drawer menu, and this ID should be same. So gone, both the icon will display the same fragment. Okay, okay, fine. Just go to the, we have to go to an bottom navigation. Okay, this id, and just close all other tab. Okay, this id and the id from the navigation, okay, should be same. Just copy paste. This is the dashboard fragment 2. We need to add here fragment 2. Okay, and the notification fragment 2, notification fragment. This ID should be unique. Okay. Now just go to our drawer. Okay. We need to mention this ID over here. Okay. Just r.id dot. Okay. We have a dashboard fragment 2, comma, notification dot id dot notification fragment 2. We have successfully added over here. Okay, just now we need to, when we in the content, in the fragment we have added this bottom navigation, so we need to uh, add our we need to add this id to our drawer. Okay, fine. Firstly, here only we have add val. Let's give a nav view only, nav view 2. That should be bottom navigation. Bottom navigation view equal to here drawer layout dot find view by id r dot id dot need to give the id of bottom navigation. Here the id of bottom navigation. This is the nav view. Okay, we have successfully added this. Now here we have added the controller for the drawer. Okay, same as it is, we need to add the controller for the bottom also. Okay, just copy paste, and here the name is 2. Okay, now view 2 dot set controller view. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's run our application and test what the changes. If you want this code, guys, just comment below. We'll add this code to GitHub. Here this id and the bottom navigation id should be different. Okay, here we have mentioned in the bottom navigation. Okay, bottom navigation, just go to our content drawer. Here need to mention this id, and go to our drawer. This id should be same. Okay, let's run our application. So if I click on the sign in button here, I clicked on this is the drawer layout, and if I clicked on the bottom menus, it's showing the respected fragments.